Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply vitamin E for hair. First, select a pure vitamin E oil or several capsules, ensuring it is suitable for topical use. Before full application, always conduct a small patch test on your inner arm to confirm no adverse reactions occur. Prepare your workspace by having a small bowl, an applicator brush, and a towel ready for a smooth process. You have a few excellent ways to apply vitamin E. For direct application, gently massage a small amount, about 1 to 2 teaspoons, onto your scalp and through your hair strands. Alternatively, blend the vitamin E oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil at a ratio of 1 part vitamin E to 2 parts carrier oil. You can also enrich your existing hair products by adding 5 to 10 drops to your shampoo or conditioner. Once applied, take 5 to 10 minutes to gently massage the oil into your scalp using your fingertips. This helps stimulate blood circulation and ensures even distribution. For an effective treatment, let the vitamin E oil remain on your hair for a minimum of 30 minutes. If you desire a more intensive conditioning, consider leaving the treatment on overnight, covering your hair with a shower cap to protect your pillow. After the treatment time, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of oil are gone. Follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner to ensure your hair feels clean and fresh, free from any greasiness. For optimal benefits, incorporate this vitamin E hair treatment into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Consistency is key to achieving healthier, more vibrant hair over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.